proceed to the next slide. Hi guys, so this slide is about freelancing growth mindset. So you will learn a lot about growth mindset during the training. So ito lang is just the start. So sabi dito, if you are willing to change your thinking, you can change your feelings. If you can change your feelings, you can change your actions. And based on good thinking, you can change your life. So ang gusto lang i-imply nito is setting your mind, setting your thinking into, positive. So, yung mindset mo ang magdidikta ng success mo later on. Kasi kung ang naka-mindset sa'yo ay puro pera, let's say for example, hindi ko naman minamasama na isipin mo na kaya ka nag-freelancing kasi dahil sa pera. Kasi yun naman talaga yung yun naman talaga yung reality natin kaya tayo nag-transition. But then, kung puro pera lang, I don't think na magtatagal ka sa ganitong industry. Kasi hindi ganun eh. You have to have a growth mindset. Kasi maraming rejections dito. Unlike ng 9 to 5 job na secure, stable. Dito hindi. So, ang kalaban mo dito is your mindset. So, kaya nga, separate ang training na to or ang slides na to. Kasi I want to build your mindset muna bago ka mag-start ng training. Kasi ang dami, hindi mo maiiwasang ma-overwhelm, lalo na bago sa'yo yung mga matututunan mo dito. So, kapag may growth mindset ka, magpapatuloy ka kasi may goal ka eh. Na-instill na sa isip mo na may resulta, may kapupuntahan yung time na i-invest mo dito. Okay? I'm sure you are familiar with daily affirmations. So, on this slide, you can see there, click here. So, yan yung link ng YouTube videos ng mga daily affirmations na pinapanood ko, pinapakinggan ko before I sleep or every morning when I wake up. That helped me build my growth mindset and that helped me, stay motivated, stay driven, stay focused on my goals. So, these daily affirmations help me to, be thankful for everything that I have at sa mga paparating pa. And then I also do journaling. So, nagsusulat ako ng mga bagay na kinaka-frustrate ko, mga bagay na pinagpapasalamat ko, mga bagay na nasa isip ko, lalo na kapag na-overwhelm ako, I do journaling. Nagjo-journal ako. So, I want you to have a separate notebook for your journals. Lalo na kapag nag-start ka na mag-apply, isusulat mo lagi kung ano yung na-experience mo during the interview, ano yung naramdaman mo during the interview. It will help you. Kasi ganun yung nangyari sa akin. Na nakatulong lahat ng itong pakikinig ko ng daily affirmations na kahit anong rejections yung ma-encounter ko during the interview, okay lang. Kasi yung parang maayos kasi yung mindset ko na darating yung time, may susugal din sa akin na client. Yeah. And I do believe ganun din yung mangyayari sa inyo. As long as you believe, as long as you affirm na mangyayari ay good, always good results sa inyo. Hindi ko laging maipapangako na wala kayong rejection na may encounter dito, pero yung result will depend on you. Okay? So, make your daily affirmations and journaling. Make it a habit to write things you are grateful for, write the things you are frustrated for. Lahat ng mga nararamdaman mong emosyon, isulat mo lang yan. Okay? So, on this activity, before you start the training, gusto ko gawin nyo to. Kasi before din ako nag-start ng mga training ko, ito yung natutunan ko din sa mindsetting ng coach namin before. So, list down 100 reasons why you want to learn this. So, bakit mo nga ba gusto mong mag-start ng freelancing mo? So, ito yung mga affirmations ko. Ang dami yan. Yung mga affirmations ko. Hindi ko na mga pictures and yung affirmations ko. You have to be specific and my 100 reasons. Ayan. Hindi ko pa na-achieve lahat ng ito. But then, alam mo yun, kapag binabasa ko siya, parang bumabalik yung drive na kailangan ko magpatuloy sa freelancing. Kailangan galingan ko pa. Kasi marami pa ako kailangan i-achieve. So, yeah. Please, list down your 100 reasons why you start your freelancing career. It will help you. Lalo na kapag meron ka ng client, tapos binalikan mo to, smile ka na lang talaga. Yeah. Hundreds yan. Yung pages yan. Yep. So, yeah. Next is create your vision board. Hindi ko kasi mapapakita dito yung vision board ko. Vision board is kung ano yung nakikita mo, mga pangarap mo in the future. Sasakyan, mga travel destinations, pera, mga pangarap mong bahay, mga pangarap mong properties, mga pangarap mong puntahan, mga pangarap mong bagay na gustong magkaroon, damit, everything. Yun yung ilalagay mo sa vision board mo. And of course, dapat yung vision board mo, merong year. Okay? So, yeah, that will be your activity for this training. And the last one, just like what I said to you, na I'm going to show you my recommended books to read. So, lahat ng to nabasa ko na. At ang pinaka-favorite ko dyan ay yung The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. At saka yung Rich Dad Poor Dad. Rich Dad Poor Dad ang nauna dyan kasi 2010 na-introduce sa akin ang Rich Dad Poor Dad during our entrepreneurship subject ng college. So, hindi ko siya binasa that time. But then, nung na-introduce na naman sa akin yan, nung coach namin, binasa ko siya ng buo. And then, ayun, grabe lang. Grabe, nabago talaga yung mindset ko because of this book. And then from then on, nag-start na ako mag-invest ng mga books ko on my own. So, sa likuran ko, hindi ko man may pakita sa inyo. Yan na yung mga books ko. Konti pa lang. Kasi, hindi naman ako ganun ka-bookworm. Pero grabe yung naitulong sa akin ang pagbabasa ng books. Lalo na sa mindset, sa pagiging positive and learnings as well. Ang dami kong talagang kapag nagbasa ka ng libro, marami kang matututunan. Tipo, marami pa pala akong hindi alam. You know? And yeah, these books are really great. Books to read, they are worth your time. So I hope kapag may client ka na, kasi every birthday ko, bumibili talaga ako ng books. That was my gift to myself. So I hope gawin nyo din yun. Kapag nagka-client na kayo, meron na kayong enough money, you invest in reading books. Kahit kung sanay kayo doon sa mga, kasi may mga naman to online copies naman na. Kung sanay kayo magbasa, it's great. But then, iba kasi yung pakiramdam kapag hawak mo yung book. Okay? That's all. Thank you. Thank you for taking your time and watching this training video.